Need help with heating this winter? You can trust a woman-owned and family-operated company to keep you and your family nice and warm. RA Heating provides residential and commercial heating and air conditioning services in Evansville, Wisconsin. We are committed to meeting or exceeding your comfort needs. Our family of professional employees is dedicated to getting the job done right the first time and providing complete customer satisfaction. Our business serves residential, commercial, and industrial needs, including new construction and alternative heating. We are a Carrier Factory authorized and distinguished dealer. We do sales, service, and installation of residential, commercial, and light industrial jobs within and around a 45-mile radius of Evansville. That includes free estimates and 24-hour emergency service. We are licensed, bonded, and fully insured. RA Heating has been in business for 34 years using a flat-rate pricing system. We give you a firm, fair quote the first time, every time. Our customers have been very satisfied with our local personal service. Find our testimonials and more throughout our website. RA Heating and Air Conditioning, for today's technology with old-fashioned reliability.